Okay, so I'm gonna try to, prepare the screen. The reason I need to do that, as I think it's quite obvious, is that, well, it's broken. Okay, so fortunately, I stick on some screen protector, tempered glass on top of the GoPro screen, and it's kinda looks like that's the only thing that's damaged, but we will know for sure, after we remove this layer of the tempered glass. And okay, so the tempered glass that I'm using is basically this Kingma branded, tempered glass. It's nothing special. It's basically the cheapest one that I can get online. So let's try it out. There is already one layer of this here, so basically we're just replacing the old one with the new one. So let's get cracking. I hope. Okay, so I don't have the proper tools for this, so I'm just gonna, YOLO it a bit, try to pry it off. Okay, so this came off relatively easy. Okay. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, basically this is the cracked tempered glass. And underneath, as far as I can tell, I mean, using the the reflection from the light to kind of scan through. Yeah, other than the little nick here down here, well, it looks just fine. So that is why, folks, you should put a tempered glass on your GoPro. All right, so let's proceed to replacing it with a new one. Okay. So it comes with some alcohol pads, which I'm probably not going to use because I have something better. Okay. They do come with both, the back screen protector, and also the, what do you call this? The lens protector for the main lens. Okay. I'm not going to use this because I already have the Ethix ND filter on there. So that kind of serves as my, tempered glass protector for my actual lens. So I'm not going to use this, but it is always good to have, especially if you're not planning on using an ND filter, or maybe if you're not planning on using an ND filter that sticks on. Alright, so let's go back to our main topic of replacing it with, yeah, I mean, it comes with a lot of stuff, but none of the stuff that, okay, it dropped out. So basically, we're gonna replace this on top. Okay, so I'm gonna grab okay, well, let's already just use the one included in here. So it does come with wet wipes. Not sure why there's more, but not gonna complain. And some sticker stuff for you to stick off any dust that you found. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. Just a rough wipe. Okay. Then I'm gonna use the wet wipes. I'm assuming there is still alcohol in here because these look like they've been in stock for a long time. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's still wet, so there are still alcohol here. Just gonna give you a good wipe. Wipe down. That is enough. Then microfiber it down so that there is the point of using the alcohol wipes is that so that there is no oil stains there. Okay, but to be honest, it's not critically important that it's not critically important that's clean. Just kind of somewhat of a feel good kind of thing. So all right, so I think getting the dust out of there is more important than actually getting stains off. I mean the oil stains off. So yep. So just go in. This remove cover, and I'm gonna use tweezer to help me here. and then just kind of eyeball it and let it down. Okay, I'm gonna use the included cloth, you know, press on it, and then as you can see, it starts to, you know, stick on. If you do this right, there should be nothing trapped under the glass like this. This is bad because there is something. If you can see, there's a speck of something trapped under there, and that is going to be a pain in the butt to deal with. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, this is when this, you know, stickers comes in handy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of this, and let's just make it ready. Okay, I'm gonna lift up the, you know, the tempered glass and try to, you know, okay, you guys probably can't see because you need the reflection from the light. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift up this and using the sticker, get underneath it and stick it up. You know, I mean, get it onto the sticker, onto the sticker thingy, and lift it up. Simple, right? They always say so. Okay, I'm gonna gently put a little bit of pressure so that the entire thing, you know, can undoes itself. And this is where I'm getting a bit worried because I kind of can see that, see, the contaminant is actually on the tempered glass side. It's not on the glass itself, so that's a bit of a worry. And there seems to be a little chip on the glass. It's not really something that I worry about. Okay, putting it back on again. Yeah, remember what I said, not to worry. Yep, I do need to worry. So, again, sticker, just pick it up. Doesn't wipe it off. It's getting more and more involved than I would like. Okay, align, 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 align. That seems like it's working. You know, it works when it just automatically, you know, sticks on for the majority of the way. So as you can see, I did not press onto the screen, but let me get a reflection for you. So yeah, as you can see, I did not actually press on the screen, but you can see most of the screen has already, you know, adhered properly to the. And the last part, I just a little bit of a wipe, and that's it. So new screen. I mean, not new screen, but good as new. I can power it on. Okay, the screen works fine. It's a little bit dim here, but that's just because I have a handy filter. I need to tune on there. So yeah, from you guys probably can't see this, but from my side, I can see that the entire screen works fine. All the touch screen works. No, I actually do not want 800 ISO, but anyway. So, alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching, I guess, and see you in the next video.